Today I've got this item in the shop, which again I forgot to research what it's named in English. It goes on the front axle of a car and it swivels about as you steer it. This is where the wheel bearings go, and the reason it's here is because this kingpin is stuck in here and it won't move. I've actually got two of these, and the reason why I'm going to film it is because I saw a nice little gadget being used to help with extracting just this type of thing. Also, it's going to be nowhere as easy as I imagine it to be, so it should make for an entertaining video. So these are pretty firmly stuck in here, and as you can see, previous attempts have been made to extract these, so I'm not even going to bother and try this out. First step is for me to clean this up a little bit, remove all the hammer and chisel marks and grind a nice flat surface onto here, and then we'll continue on from there. Well, that looks a little bit more presentable, doesn't it? Now, how am I going to get this lined up exactly so that I can drill a hole through the exact center? Well, that's where my party trick and the point of this video is coming in. Come on, follow me over to the lathe, will ya? So here is the whole party trick. I've prepared this rod right here, which I can clamp in the vise, and that will help me not only chuck the piece down, but also clamp it down in line with this part we want to drill out. And now comes this little cap which I made, which is basically just a sliding fit on the pin and then a 4mm hole. I can put that on top here, registers against this piece, and I can drill a 4mm pilot right down the center, and if I don't move it, then I can follow that up with, this is 18mm, follow it up with 16mm, and I've reduced the wall thickness here down to 1mm, and that should be enough to release the rust tension that's in here and keeps this thing from falling out. So here we go. So the pin is out. Starts a little bit wonky at the top, but I'm very pleased to be able to say that we came out smack bang on center in the bottom. And now all that's left is, I don't know, take a pick and try and pull this remainder out of here. So there we have it. Both pin remnants gave up the ghost once we weakened their meat enough. The trick is to collapse them in on themselves, to take a chisel around and fold it over, because then the sidewall kinks in and the entire thing actually becomes smaller than the bore and it can be pushed out. This one took a little bit more work, but as you can see by the rust in the bores, we didn't damage them. So yeah, with a little bit of emery cloth, these are ready for service again. And I hopefully get another watch fixed in return. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Or a drill bit to find. Oh, 12 Uhr.